Generation of FM signals. FM signal frequency modulation is the encoding of information in a carrier wave by varying the instantaneous frequency of the wave. The term and technology is used in a both telecommunication and signal processing. Method of FM generation. There are two basic methods of generating frequency modulated signals. One is direct method and other is indirect method. A direct method also divided into two parts. One is reactance modulator and other is varactor modulator, whereas indirect method having Armstrong method. Direct method. In direct FM generation method, the instantaneous frequency of the carrier is changed directly in proportion with the message signal. For direct generation of FM signal, reactance modulator and varactor diode modulator is used. This method is called as the direct method because we are generating a wideband FM wave directly. In this method, voltage controlled oscillator is used to generate WBFM. VCO produce an output signal voltage. This is similar to the definition of FM wave. A modulated signal is fed to the voltage control oscillator and then WBFM wave is generated. Reactance modulator. In the reactance modulator, a transistor or FET is operated as a variable reactance. If L or C of a tuned circuit of an oscillator is changed in proportion with the amplitude of modulating signal, then FM can be obtained across the tuned circuit as shown below diagram. A reactance modulators change the frequency of the tank circuit of the oscillator by changing its reactance. This is accomplished by a combination of a resistor, a condenser, and a vacuum tube connected across the tank circuit of the oscillator. A frequency modulator takes its name from the fact that the impedance of the circuit acts as a reactance that is connected in a parallel with the resonant circuit of the oscillator. The varicap can only appear as a capacitance that become the part of frequency determining branch of the oscillator circuit. A varactor diode modulator. A varactor diode is a semiconductor diode whose junction capacitance varies linearly with the voltage applied across it. The varactor diode must be reverse biased. Here is the diagram of varactor diode frequency modulator. A varactor diode, also called varicap, are the semiconductor device that behave like variable capacitors. When reverse biased, they have a capacitance that varies with the applied voltage. They are most often used in a device that require electronic tuning such as radios. A varactor diode is used to store electric charge and not conduct electric current. It always operated in a reverse bias mode. It widely used in radio frequency circuit, VCO and frequency and phase modulator. It is also used to vary the capacitance of the circuit by the application of control voltage. Advantage of direct method: simplicity of the modulator circuit, low cost. And the disadvantage of direct method is that this type of modulator is not stable enough. It is a function of various parameters such as temperature, device aging, etc. Indirect method. This method of FM generation, Armstrong method of FM generation. In this method, the FM is obtained through the phase modulation. In this method, crystal oscillator is used for frequency stability. This method is also called as the indirect method because we are generating a wideband FM wave indirectly. This means first we will generate NB-FM wave and then with the help of frequency multiplier we get WBFM wave. Armstrong modulator. The block diagram of Armstrong modulator is given. There is a crystal oscillator, 90-degree phase shift, balance modulator, adder, frequency multiplier, difference mixture, frequency multiplier, and then final power amplifier, and the output goes to the antenna. The part of Armstrong FM transmitter which is expressed is dotted lines describe the principle of operation of an Armstrong phase modulator. First, that the output signal from the carrier oscillator is supplied to the circuit that perform the task of modulating and the carrier signal. Crystal oscillator. The crystal oscillator carrier oscillator signal is directed to the two circuits in parallel. This signal is established as a reference pass carrier signal and is assigned a value 0. Balanced modulator. The balanced modulator is an amplitude modulator used to form an envelope of a double sideband and to suppress the carrier signal. This required to input signal and the modulating message signal. The output of the modulator is connected to the adder circuit. Here the 90-degree phase delayed carrier signal will be added back to replace the suppressed carrier. Adder. The adder has two input signal, the 0 reference double sideband AM envelope and the 900 carrier signal. A vector diagram of the adder output show the effect of adding. The two input signal, the 90-degree carrier is labeled E and the vector sum of the two sidebands. Frequency multiplier. It generates an output signal whose output frequency is harmonious of its input frequency, and frequency multiplier consists of a non-linear circuit that distort the input signal and consequently generate a harmonic of the input signal. Power amplifier. A power amplifier is an electronic circuit designed to increase the magnitude of given input signal, and here it provides a maximum power to the signal. Direct FM generation. The carrier frequency is directly varied by the input signal. Frequency drifting is a problem and frequency deviation is less than 5 kHz. Indirect FM generation. Use non-linear circuit to get multiplier. Can use mixer to change the carrier frequency. Combination of mixture and multiplier provide flexibility. Thank you.